All right, this is the Craftsman multi-level workshop toolbox. This thing weighs about 28 pounds when it's completely empty. It's really durable. We got a handle on top if you should need it. Obviously, it's got wheels on it. In the back, you have a push button where a handle comes up. Make this thing easy to move around, just totally easy to move around. And you got all kinds of different options on here for storage. 2 latches, really durable plastic in here. We use this as a gig box. Looking at, 20 inches right here by roughly 10 inches. So plenty of room in here, and this thing's kind of deep. Let's see, about 6 inches deep on this top part. And these latches have held up well over time. Also in here, you get this little latch right here you pull, and this whole thing folds back. Same amount of space in here with this thing is about 14 inches deep with little compartments in here where you can put your tools in. Plenty of room to store stuff inside of here. Plenty of room for large tools, whatever you want to put in here. Like I said, we use this as a gig box. This thing's been really durable. We've had it for a long time, and it works great.